So welcome everybody to today's session. So here we're gonna trade Bank Nifty for 20th January 2025. So I wasn't able to trade live today, so I'm gonna just hop onto a session and see what we can done on today's session. Okay, so here as usual I have three charts open on my desktop. The first one is the usual index chart, the second one is the put chart, and the third one is the call chart for the same, averaging about 200 to, let's say, like 400 to 500 rupees per contract. Okay, so this is the index chart. So here we're gonna draw some trend lines over here. Okay, so this would be my support and resistance. I'm just gonna copy and paste the key levels. Need pretty straight. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna do the same for this. Okay, yep. So these are my key levels. Same for the support levels. There we go. Okay, so the point by which I determine whether this is my support and resistance would be if they have like two simultaneous like green and red candles. So that's gonna be my the higher point of interest. Okay, so let's start today's session. So the first candle, okay, it all have already broke to resistance. So I'm looking for, as usual, I'm looking for a 9 EMA breakout, a proper breakout, and a healthy candle, or you can say a big candle with a lot of momentum, or a Maribozu candle with shorter wicks. So there's not much chance. Okay, this is a good candle, I can say. Yep, it is clearly above 9 EMA. So usually it isn't important that I should get a breakout at most if the trend is already just following upside above the 9 EMA level, and you're gonna see a healthy candle with no wicks or a big impulsive move. So we can take a trade on it as well. So right now we're gonna check if it have a correlation with the call and the put chart. So this candle was made around 10:15. So we're gonna check the same candle for these charts as well. 10:15. Yep, 10:15. We're gonna see the same for this as well. Okay, just a second. So this isn't a healthy candle, to be honest, so I'm not gonna take a trade on this one. Okay, because here you can clearly see that it is residing just a bit above resistance level, so I'm not gonna take this trade. The resistance level, there are two consecutive long wicks about this level, so I'm not gonna take a trade on this one. And you can see after this candle, like the 10:15 one, the price doesn't get too much momentum, bullish momentum, so I didn't regret not taking trade at that candle. So as usual, so here you can see like at 11:15 we have a great candle. It clearly have a breakout at the 9 EMA level. So 11:15, I'm gonna check the other charts as well. There we go. It is a great candle, and till here there isn't any support or resistance, so it can become a great trade, I can say. Okay, same for the put chart as well. Yep, there we go. For the put chart we are seeing a great bearish candle. Okay, so this is going to be the list. Okay, the level, the support level, and here if there is some kind of space left, so we can just make the use of the decay, and this small gap between the support level and the candle can act as our take profit, because you can clearly see, like right here, the point value of the gap is different for each chart, because right here it's about like 120 points or something. Right here it's about like 10 points or something. And for this chart, just a second, it's about 69 points. So it's different for each chart, and we're gonna make sure we're gonna use the decay part to take our take profit. So I'm gonna take a trade over here. So as usual, 1 to 1 RR. Okay, so our 1 to 1 RR just clearly reside at the support level. So we're gonna play the candles. There we go. Okay, yep, our TP was hit. So we got a great 1:1 R trade at the 5-minute chart of the Bank Nifty. Okay, so after 12:25, let's see if we can get another opportunity. There we go, 12:05. So our trade was ended over this level. So let's see if we're gonna find another opportunity at the same. I need a bit straight, because even a slight divergence can alter our TP levels. Let's make sure we're gonna use this one. There we have, okay, this one, another candle. Okay, there we go. So let's see if we're gonna find another trade out of here. I think we're doing great at this point. Okay, let's see if we're gonna find another one. We can see that the candles are reacting at the resistance level, so I'm not gonna take the trade over here despite of any opportunities that I'm gonna get, because I'm not going to break my rules. Okay, so there's a trend line. We're gonna hope for a breakout to downside if it's gonna be possible. There we go. Yep, we have a great breakout over here at the 13-1. I don't know if there would be a support or anything. 13.5. 13.5. So you can clearly see over here that there isn't a lot of opportunity at this level, because there are multiple resistance level over this area because of the simultaneous red and green candles, or green or red candles like this one. So this is going to be our first area. I'm gonna copy it. Our second area, I'm gonna copy it. Our third area, I'm gonna copy it again. There we go. Yep, so the opportunity are a bit less because the market here is a bit choppy and there are multiple resistance levels, so I'm not going to take a trade over here despite of the opportunity that I'm going to get, and regardless of it I'm going to take a down trade because there are a bit more opportunities for the bearish side on the market. There we go. I'm not seeing a great breakout. Nope. Take 2.5. Okay, so this is a great opportunity. Okay, so let me check on the index chart as well. 12. Okay, there we go. What we have over here? 14.25. 14.25. Yeah, of course, this is a great opportunity, but as you know, there's a support level over here, so now I'm going to take this trade. Too risky. The market for today is sure choppy, so we should avoid taking trade on this choppy market because our strategy might not gonna work well. See, you have to take a down trade like a put trade over here, so clearly we're gonna hit our SL for sure. So it's okay, so the time is over 3, so I'm not going to trade over here, and as you know, this concludes our session. So right now for today's market, we clearly don't have a lot of opportunities, but we were successful find out a single opportunity at the market, and hence we had a great day, I can say. Like we get a great 1:1 RR trade over here. So that was a great thing. Yep. So this concludes today's session. Hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next bit. Bye bye. See ya.